Okay, I'm here at New Amsterdam Technical Institute, and the principal of this college here is Mr. Chinedu. Good afternoon, Mr. Chinedu.
Good afternoon.
It's nice to speak with you.
My pleasure.
What are the programs that you have here that involve technologies?
You can say, pretty simple, all of them. Starting from the crafts, it's all about technology and science. However, there are different levels. Now we're talking about craft level, engineering, mechanical. We have some electrical installation, and we have in building too. However, they are mainly at the craft level.
Okay.
From that craft level, they can go further to the diploma and then proceed to UG if they wish.
Receptionist, typist, clerk, secretary.
So this is the course in secretarial science.
Yes, sir.
And what do you hope to do when you finish the course?
Well, for me personally, it's an accountant.
Pardon me?
An accountant.
An accountant. So you want to make lots of money?
At least
Or you already have lots of money?
Not yet.
And which part of the course do you like best?
Receptionist.
What does that entail?
Well, it teaches you to cooperate with the public when they come into an organization. Help you to understand how to speak to the public and the person.
How to welcome them? How to smile when they arrive?
Yes, the manner and the attitude.
There you go.
Dress code and everything. Can't be overdressed either.
And what would you do when you finish the course?
I don't really know. I like to be a receptionist.
You'd like to be a receptionist. So how do they train you to become a receptionist?
Well, we give me handouts and then read up and follow up. Sometimes we do skits and so.
What is a skit?
Well, the way how to do the job in the public,
Yeah.
so we act it in classes.
So you have a scenario.
Yeah.
So you shake your legs and and you have a computing lab here?
Yeah, we have a computer laboratory as well as a program in ordinary diploma in computer science.
And how many computers do you have in your lab?
Yeah, we have two laboratories. Each one has at least a capacity of 15 students.
15 students.
15 students each. Yeah, there are
And
two of them.
in the other crafts area, secretarial work, etc., the students all use the lab.
Yeah, we expose all students of the institute to computer science. At least there is a 2 hour per week for every student of the institute, especially second year students.
All right.
Now, in essence, there's a policy that all students must be exposed to computer knowledge before they graduate.
Okay, so each student, before he graduates, he's had a number of hours of computing courses.
Exactly.
Okay. And I've heard of one computing program per one laptop per family. Does that mean that most of the students in their homes, they have a computer?
We haven't done a survey as to, at least for my students, to know how many of them would have been beneficiaries of those. But it's expected that, yes, that most of them should have computers at their home. Now, even without that, most of my students will come to school with their laptops. We have an internet, a wireless service in the compound where students can get access to the internet if they wish. There's an evidence to show that before they come to school, they would have acquired some level of computer knowledge.
Okay, good.
Yeah, there is a strong evidence that most of them have that knowledge even when they go to the lab. It's kind of just making sure they know what they're supposed to be doing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah, most of them have that. Yes.
The other subjects that you cover here, mechanical engineering?
Mechanical engineering, right.
My name is Mohammed Mukshaw. I have graduated from this school in 1973. I was a student here in 1971-73. I am among the first batch that graduated ever from this school. I am lecturing mainly in mechanical engineering, and specifically it's fitting and machining, which entails like workshop technology, mathematics, engineering science, technical drawing and drafting engineering drawing, and I do the practicals on the work floor. There is a laboratory with a number of machines like the lathes, the drilling machines, the milling machines, universal milling machine, vertical milling machine, shapers, power saws.
More on the, again, vocational side?
Right. However, there is an evening program that is a technician level program, which is probably you can say is a first level technical in the sense of a higher level program in mechanical engineering. That's a higher than the craft vocational area. In total, all students come to the average of 560, 600. So on the day, we might have like 400 and something students. The rest will be even. We do have 2 programs in electrical engineering. One is called electrical installation. This is again a vocational program where the students are taught how to do wiring of houses and other basic electrical works. And then we have another program that is called radio and electronic services. All right, that is basic electronics that will lead them to probably go further to do telecommunication. We do also have an evening program in telecommunication. That is a technician program as well.
Nice.
Where the ministry now have bought the idea that our labs should be retooled, because we realize that most of our equipment, they are not in tune with the updated technology. All right, so we're trying our best to see how we can get those updated at the earliest possible time. That, at least I can say for the past 5 years, there have been a lot of emphasis on technical and vocational education. And there have been more funding coming to capital procurement for TVET institutions in Guyana. There have been a policy to retool laboratories in the TVET institutions. So that policy speaks to the ministry cognizance of the fact that there is a need for us to bring technology to updated level.
The New Amsterdam Technical Institute, is it a paying organization?
No, it's a government sponsored institution. Yeah.
Okay, so it's only when you go to the university level
Then you pay fees.
then you'd be paying tuition fees, etc. Okay, Mr. Chinedu, I'd like to thank you for your time.
Thank you so
And
much.
It's been nice speaking with you, and I hope we'll be able to work together.
Definitely, we're hoping to get that assistance from you because we do need it.
Yeah, okay, great.
All right, good, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.